Spend like a beggar and invest like a king. This is not just a quote, this is the mantra, the formula of becoming rich. My father is a businessman and he too follows this rule. He is very careful about spending his money, and when it's about investing his money, he is very active. He invests in properties, in bonds, and in his business as well. In his childhood, my father faced a lot of financial problems, so much so that there was a time when for 3 consecutive days, he didn't have anything to eat at all. Coming from such a background, a person builds a successful business and more than one stream of income. That's really amazing. And to do this, it requires 2 things: a lot of hard work and the habit of investing like a king and spending like a beggar. On the contrary, there was a worker in my father's shop who, that he was just a worker and he didn't earn much money. Still, he maintained the funkiest hairstyle that I have ever seen. Out of curiosity, I asked him, "What does it take to maintain a hairstyle like you?" And he told, "It takes 350 rupees every time when I visit a barber." And I was shocked hearing that. I am the son of the business owner and you're just a worker here. You spend 7 times more money than I do on a haircut. That's crazy. And this is the problem of most of the youngsters these days. They spend a lot of money in just trying to look rich, and this prevents them from actually becoming rich. You should realize when you spend your money in buying the latest fashion outfits, getting the funkiest hairstyle, and these days even the beard style, you're spending your money unnecessarily. These things are the things that are not much necessary. You spend your money and the money is gone. If you stop this expenditure and you save that money, and this money saved is invested in some place that in return gives you more money, is the smarter idea. And that should be the better choice. If you see any of the successful people, you won't find them wearing the most expensive suit, clothes, and maintaining the crazy hairstyle. People like Mark Zuckerberg, Bill Gates, Steve Jobs, and Warren Buffett, they wear the simple clothes and they reduce their expenditures to the minimum so that the money saved is invested somewhere and they get more profit. This is how you actually become rich. They don't waste their energy, time, and money in just trying to look rich. They actually become rich by investing. So you should plan out your investment too. When you get some income, you should separate some part of it as your regular expenses and as some saving definitely. And the remaining part should be invested in some place like bonds, some policies, some properties, or anywhere that you like, so that you get more money in return. There is yet another kind of investment. That investment is you spend money in increasing your learning, in improving your skills. By doing so, you become a better person. With enhanced skill, you will definitely be able to earn more money. That is another kind of investment that everybody must strive for. That's all I had to tell you about investing and spending. Hope you have liked this video. If so, share this video with your friends and hit that like button too. And finally, thanks for watching.